Mastering the art of weld reinforcement removal. Why carbide burrs are your best ally. Weld reinforcement removal can slow your work if you rely on the wrong tools. Using a carbide bore makes the difference between a rough patch and a smooth, uniform steel weld finish. You'll learn which burr shapes fit specific steel weld types and how to remove material safely and effectively in your fabrication shop. This guide will sharpen your skills and boost your steel finishing results. Understanding weld reinforcement removal. Enhancing your steel weld finishes starts with effective material removal. This critical process ensures not just a polished look but also structural integrity. Weld reinforcement removal is a vital skill for any fabricator. Importance of a smooth finish. A smooth finish is not just about looks. It prevents weak spots and potential failures. When you ensure your welds are even, you reduce stress points that could lead to cracks or breaks. In a fabrication shop, achieving a smooth surface enhances both safety and durability. Think of a table with uneven legs, unsteady and unreliable. Similarly, a rough weld can compromise the entire structure. Using the right tools like a carbide burr helps you avoid these issues. The result: a reliable and sturdy finish that stands the test of time. Aesthetic and structural benefits. The benefits of a polished weld go beyond strength. Aesthetically, a clean weld reflects professionalism and attention to detail. Clients notice these finishes, which can set your work apart from the competition. Moreover, a well-polished weld reduces the need for additional finishing processes, saving time and resources. It's like cutting out the middleman, faster, more efficient, and cost-effective. In the long run, these benefits translate into repeat business and customer satisfaction. The role of carbide burrs. Carbide burrs are game changers in weld removal, making them essay.
Thanks for watching. If you're looking for high-quality American-made carbide burr tools that are built to cut faster, last longer, and help you get the job done right, visit our website today. We keep our American-made carbide burr tools in stock and ready to ship, with same-day shipping available on orders placed before our daily cutoff time. Whether you're working on metal fabrication, porting, welding, automotive projects, or precision grinding, we've got the carbide burr you need. Visit our website and order yours today.